Hello students, welcome to Anne's classes. Let's do number and numeration, chapter 1, exercise 1.5. Page number 13. Question 6. Write the greatest and smallest numbers of 7, 8 and 9 digits such that 2 remains at the thousands place and lakhs place. So here we have to write the greatest 7-digit, 8-digit and 9-digit numbers. Okay, and the smallest 7, 8 and 9-digit numbers, but there are some conditions. 2 must remain at the thousands place and the lakhs place. So first let's write the greatest 7-digit number. So the greatest 7-digit number will be 7 nines. So let's write 7 nines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 nines, because 9 is the greatest 1-digit number. To make a 7-digit number, we need to put 7 nines. Now let's place commas. Okay, ones, tens, hundreds, and then we put a comma here. So let's put a comma here. So comma here. Then again, thousands, 10,000s. Let's put a comma here. So now what's our number? Our number is 99,99,999. But look at this condition. It says 2 should remain at the thousands place and lakhs place. So let's look for the thousands place. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So this 9 should go and I should replace it with 2. So I'm going to take this 9 off and I'm going to write 2 in that place. Now here the lakhs place also. So let's look for the lakhs place. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs. So remove this 9 also and put 2 in that place. So let's remove this 9 and put 2 in that place. So now what do we have? We have 92,92,999. So we've got the greatest 7-digit number with 2 in the thousands and the lakhs place. Similarly, now let's form the greatest 8-digit number first by writing 8 nines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we've got 8 nines. Let's place commas. Ones, tens, hundreds, put a comma. Thousands, 10,000s, comma, lakh, 10 lakh, comma, crore. So how do we read this number? 9 crore, 99 lakh, 99,999. Now remember, 2 should be in the thousands place and lakhs place. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Let's remove this 9 and put 2 there. So remove this 9, put 2 in that place. And again, in the lakhs place, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakh. So remove this 9 and put 2. So now what do we have here? We have 9 crore, 92 lakh, 92,999. Now to form the greatest 9-digit number, we have to write 9 nines. So let's do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now let's put commas in the right places. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakh, 10 lakh. Okay. And crore, 10 crore. So let's read this number. 99 crore, 99 lakh, 99,999. Now 2 must be there in the thousands and the lakhs place. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So remove this thousands and put 2 there. Let's remove this and let's put 2 in that place. Similarly, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs. So remove this 9 in the lakhs place and put 2 in that place. So now let's read this number. This is crore. This is lakh. This is thousands. So let's read and see. 99 crore, 92 lakh, 92,999. So we've got our greatest 7, 8 and 9 digits. Now let's form the smallest. Smallest 7-digit number will be 1 followed by 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. Now let's place commas. Ones, tens, hundreds, comma, thousands, 10,000s, comma, lakh, 10 lakh. So this is lakh, this is thousand. So let's read it. 10 lakh and nothing in the thousands place. So this whole number is simply 10 lakh. But we have to put 2 in the thousands and the lakhs place. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So let's remove the 0 and put 2 there. So removing the 0, putting 2 there. And we should put it in the lakhs place also. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakh. So remove the 0 and put 2. So we have removed the 0 and we have put 2. Now let's read the number. 12 lakh 2,000. This is 12 lakh 2,000. Now to form the 8-digit number, you're going to write 1 followed by 7 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now let's put our commas. Ones, tens, hundreds, comma, thousands, 10,000s, comma, lakh, 10 lakh, comma, crore. So this number is 1 crore. And this is the lakhs place. This is the thousands place. Okay, now we are going to put 2 in the thousands and the lakhs place. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So remove the 0. Put 2 there. Then go to the lakhs place. The lakhs place is here. Remove this 0 and put 2 there. So now let's read our number. 1 crore 2 lakh 2,000. Now let's form the smallest 9-digit number. So that is 1 followed by 8 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's place the commas. Ones, tens, hundreds, comma, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. This is crore, this is lakh, this is 1,000. So let's read the number. 10 crore. This whole number is 10 crore. Now let's put 2 in the thousands and the lakhs place. So thousands place is here. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So remove this and put 2 in that place. Similarly, go to the lakhs place, remove the 0 and put 2 in that place. So now let's read the number. 10 crore 2 lakh 2,000. So we found the smallest 9-digit number with 2 in the thousands and the lakhs place. So we are still with question 6. Now this time B. It is 0 remains at hundreds and 10,000s and the lakhs place. So let's write this table down. Now the greatest number of 7 digits is 7 nines. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we have to follow these conditions. 0 remains at the hundreds place, the 10,000s place and the lakhs place. So hundreds place first. So ones, tens, hundreds. So here I'm going to remove this and put a 0. So let's remove this and put 0 there. Then it says in the 10,000s place. So let's see. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000. So in this place I'm going to remove this 9 and put a 0 there. So let's remove this and put a 0. And in the lakhs place. So let's see. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs. So this also I remove. So and I'm going to put a 0 there. Now let's put commas in the right places. Ones, tens, hundreds, comma, thousands, 10,000s, comma, lakh, 10 lakhs. So this is lakh, this is thousands. So let's read this number. 90 lakh 9,099. So this is the greatest 7-digit number with 0 in the hundreds, 10,000s and the lakhs places. Now the greatest 8-digit number, let's write 8 nines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we've got 8 nines. Now we have to put 0 in the hundreds place. So ones, tens, hundreds. Remove this and put a 0. So here we are removing it. We are putting a 0. Then in the 10,000s place. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000. So remove this and put a 0 there. Then in the lakhs place, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs. So remove this and put a 0. Now place the commas, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. So this is crore, this is lakh, this is thousand. So let's read this number, 9 crore, 90 lakh, 9,099. Now the greatest 9-digit number, 9 nines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now let's put 0 in the hundreds place. So ones, tens, hundreds. Remove this and put 0 in the hundreds place. In the 10,000s place, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. So remove this 9 and put a 0. And it says in the lakhs place also, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs. So remove this and put a 0. Now let's place the commas in the right places. Ones, tens, hundreds, comma, thousands, 10,000s, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. This is crore, this is lakh, this is thousand. So let's read it. 99 crore, 90 lakh, 9,099. Now let's form the smallest, that will be 1 followed by 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now here it says 0 remains at the hundreds, 10,000s and lakhs place, and 0 is already there. So we don't have to replace anything. We'll just put commas in the right places. Ones, tens, hundreds, comma. Thousands, 10,000s, comma. So let's read the number. This is lakh, this is thousands. So let's read 10 lakh and no other number. So this whole number will be read as 10 lakh. Let's form the greatest 8-digit number here. The smallest 8-digit number, 1 followed by 7 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now commas, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. So this is crore, this is lakh, this is thousands. Now here we don't have to put this 0 in the hundreds, 10,000s and lakhs place because everything is 0. So now let's read this number, 1 crore, and there's nothing else. So this whole number is simply 1 crore. So now here let's put the smallest 9-digit number, 1 followed by 8 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's place commas. Ones, tens, hundreds, comma, thousands, 10,000s, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. So this is crore, this is lakh, this is thousands. So let's read this number, 10 crore. The whole thing is 10 crore. We don't have to do anything about this because they're all zeros. Question 6. Write the greatest and smallest numbers of 7, 8 and 9 digits such that, question C, 5 remains at the 4th and the 7th places. So this is question 6 itself, the C question here. So here we have to write the greatest and smallest 7, 8 and 9 digit numbers as shown here. But there are conditions. So first let's write the greatest 7-digit numbers. That means 7 nines. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 nines. Now the question here is 5 remains in the 4th place. So first, second, third, 4th. This is the 4th place. So let's remove this. In the 4th place, we're going to put 5. And in the 7th place. So 1. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So in this place, we have to put 5 again. So let's remove this and put 5. Now let's put the commas. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. So this is lakh, 10 lakh. So let's read the number. The number will be 99 lakh 95,995. Now to form the greatest 8-digit number. So let's write 8 nines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we have to put 5 in the 4th and the 7th places. So let's look for the 4th place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So in these two places we have to remove the 9s and put 5. So here let's put 5 here and 5 here. So now let's place the commas in the right places. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakh, 10 lakh, and this is crore. So crore, lakh, thousands. So now let's read the number 9 crore 99 lakh 59,959. So next is we should write the greatest 9-digit number. So that means 9 nines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 nines. And in the 4th and the 7th place, we have to put 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the fourth place. So let's underline. And then the seventh place, 5, 6, 7. This is the seventh place. So let's underline here. So in these two places, we're going to replace the 9s and put 5 instead. So let's put 5 here and 5 here. So now let's put the commas in the correct places. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakh, 10 lakh, and this is crore. So this is lakh and thousand. So let's read the number. 99 crore, 95 lakh, 99,599. Now let's get the smallest 7-digit number. Smallest will be 1 followed by 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. And in the fourth place and the seventh place we have to put 5. Fourth place is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the fourth place, 5, 6, 7. So this is the fourth place. In the seventh place we're going to replace it with 5. So let's take off the zeros and put 5 instead. So now let's place the commas. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakh. So this is lakh, this is thousand. So let's read the number 10 lakh 5,005. Now the smallest 8-digit number, 1 followed by 7 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros. Now we have to put 5 in the fourth and seventh place. So 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the fourth place. 5, 5, 6, 7 is the seventh place. So replace the zeros with 5. So we have 5 here and 5 here. Now let's put the commas here. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakh, 10 lakh, and this is crore. So now let's read the number. We have 1 crore 50,050. Now let's go on to the 9-digit number. So 1 followed by 8 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 zeros. Now let's look at the fourth place. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the fourth place. And 5, 6, 7. This is the seventh place. So let's replace the zeros with 5. So we have 5 here and 5 here. Now let's place the commas. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakh, 10 lakh. We have crore. Crore, lakh and thousand. So now let's read the number. 10 crore, 5 lakh, 500. Question 6. This time 1 will remain at the first, third and sixth place. So let's start now. So the greatest number, let's write 7 nines. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 7 nines. Now we should put 1 in the first, third and sixth place. So this is the first place, this is the third place and this is the sixth place. Let's underline. 1, 2, 3, third place, 4, 5, 6, sixth place. So we'll remove all those 9s and put 1. So remove that, remove this and put 1 in that place. So we have 1 there. Now we're going to place our commas and read the number. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, and this is lakh. So now let's read. This will be 19 lakh 19,919. Now 8-digit number, 8 nines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now again 1 is in the first, third and sixth place. So first place, let's mark it. First place, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth place. So remove the 9s from all those places and put 1 in that place. So we have 1, 1 and 1. Now let's put the commas. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. The crore, lakh, thousands. So let's read a number. 1 crore 91 lakh 99,199. Now the next one is 9-digit number. So let's put 9 nines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 nines. Now we have to put 1 in the first, third and sixth place. So this is the first place, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth place. So we're going to replace all those 9s with 1s. So let's do that. So we have 1 here and 1 here. Now what we have to do next is put the commas. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakh, 10 lakh. This is crore, lakh and thousand. Let's read our number. 19 crore, 19 lakh, 91,999. Now the smallest 7-digit number is 1 followed by 6 zeros. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the first, third and sixth place we have to put 1. So this is the first place, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth place. So let's replace all that with 1. So here we already have 1, only these two we have to replace. So let's do that. Let's remove this 0 and this 0 and put 1 in that place. Now let's place the commas. Ones, tens, hundreds, comma, thousands, 10,000s, lakh. So lakh and thousands. Let's read the number. 10 lakh, 10,000, 10. Now we're going to write the 8 digits, 1 followed by 7 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now in the first place, in the third place and sixth place, we should have 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the places. Here we already have a 1. So only in these two places we have to replace the zeros with 1. So let's put that. Put 1 here and 1 here. Now let's put commas. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakh, 10 lakh, crores. The crore, lakh and thousands. Now let's read the number. 1 crore, 1 lakh, 100. Now let's write the smallest 9-digit number. That's 1 followed by 8 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now in the first place, third place, so that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In these places, let's write 1. So here and here, let's replace it with 1. So 1 and 1. Now let's place commas. So that will be ones, tens, hundreds, comma, thousands, 10,000s, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. So this is crore, this is lakh, this is thousand. Let's read the number. 10 crore, 10 lakh, 1,000. Question 7. Write the successor and predecessor of the following numbers. So we have a number here. Successor means you add 1 to this number. Predecessor means you subtract one number from this. So let's take down this number and write it down here and add 1 to it and see what we get. So here, let's place our commas first to read the number. Ones, tens, hundreds, comma, let's put a comma here, thousands, 10,000s. So this is lakh, 10 lakh. So this is lakh and this is thousand. So this is 42 lakh 31,597. So what comes after 97? 98. So without even adding, if you can think and see, you can do it. So after 97, you get 98. So we can write this number 42 lakh 31,598. So we've written the one number next to it. Then predecessor means one number less than this. So minus 1. What comes before 7? 6, isn't it? So we can write everything else and here we can write 6. So that will be 42 lakh 31,596. So we've got the predecessor. So if you can do without actually adding or subtracting, if you can do it in your mind, you can finish it faster. If you have a doubt, then you add 1 to this or subtract 1 to this from this. Next one. So we have this number. Let's put the commas. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. So this is 2 crore 89 lakh 70,800. Now successor means the number that comes after. So let's look only at the ones period here. 800. What comes after 800? 801. So everything else will remain the same. So let's write that. 2 crore 89 lakh 70,801. So we've got one more than that. Now the next thing is to write the predecessor. That means one less than 800. Can you think in your mind and see what is 1 less than 800? 1 less than 800 is 799. Now if you have a doubt, take 800 and minus 1 from it. So now let's minus. So here we have to borrow 7. This becomes 10. Again we have to borrow. So this becomes 9 and 10. So now we can subtract. 10 minus 1 is 9. Then again we have 9 here and 7. So 1 less than 800 is 799. So here we can write everything else as it is. Instead of 800 we can write 799. So let's write that 2 crore 89 lakh 70,799. Next one. Let's put the commas. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. So this is crore, this is lakh, this is thousand. So let's read this. 62 crore, 59 lakh, 38,199. To write the successor, let's take only this once period. 199. What comes after 199? 200, isn't it? Or if you have a doubt, take the number 199. To write the successor, we have to add 1. 9 plus 1 is 10, carry 1. And again, we have 9 plus 1 is 10, carry 1. 1 plus 1 is 2, we have 200. So the successor of 199 is 200. Everything else will remain the same. So let's write, we have 62 crore, 59 lakh, 38,000. Now instead of 199, we're going to write 200 because we are writing the successor. Now the predecessor is the number that comes before 199. What comes before 9? 8. So this will be 198. So let's write everything else as it is. 62 crore 59 lakh 38,000. Now instead of 199, we're going to say 198. So let's write that 198. Next one, we have this a lot of zeros, so here we should be careful. To write the successor, it's easy. 1 more than 0 is just 1. We just have to add 1 here in this place. First, let's put the commas. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. So this is crore, this is lakh, and then the rest of it is thousands and ones period. So let's read this. 98 crore 70 lakh. To find the successor, we just have to add 1 here. 0 plus 1 is 1. So everything else remains the same. So let's write 98 crore 70 lakh. Now there's nothing in the thousands place, so 2 zeros. Nothing in the hundreds place, the tens place. Only the ones place we will put 1. So what's our number now? 98 crore 70 lakh 1. Now we have to write the predecessor. Now whenever you write predecessor, when there are many zeros, it's always good to do the subtraction separately. So let's write 9 crore 87 lakh. Now thousands place we don't have anything. So the number is 98 crore. Okay, so let's make the correction then. 98 crore 70 lakh. And then thousands place we don't have anything. Hundreds, tens and ones also we don't have anything. Now we have to subtract 1 from this. Now let's do this carefully, the subtraction, because we have to borrow a lot. Now we are going to borrow. Now this we can't do, 0 minus 1. So we're going to borrow. Here also it's 0, again 0. So keep going till you get a number. So here we have 7. We're going to borrow from 7. So 7 will become 6 and this will become 10. From 10 we are going to borrow, so 10 becomes 9 and this becomes 10. Again we are going to borrow, so 9, 10, 9, 10, 9, 10, 9 and the last one is 10. Now let's subtract. So here we have 10 minus 1. So let's write 10 minus 1 is 9. Then we have 9. So many 9. So let's take it slowly. Then the next 9 let's write. Then the next 9. Then one more 9. Again one 9. Then we have 6, 8 and 9. Now let's place the commas. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. So here we have 98 crore, 69 lakh, 99,999. So let's write that. 98 crore, 69 lakh, 99,999. You have to be very careful not to miss any digit. Question 8a. From the smallest 8-digit number, subtract the greatest and smallest numbers formed by using the digits given to us. So from the smallest 8-digit number. So first we take the smallest 8-digit number. From that we are going to subtract the greatest and smallest numbers formed using this. So first let's take the smallest 8-digit number. That is 1 followed by 7 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so from this we have to subtract the greatest number that you form and the smallest number that you form. So the greatest number formed by using these digits, which is the greatest number formed. So let's count and see how many digits there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 digits. Now using these 7 digits, let's form the greatest number here itself. So take the greatest digit, that means from big to small, 8. So 8 is over. So let's form all these numbers. So here we have 8 first, then let's take 6, then 5, then 3, then 2, then 1, and then 0. So we have the greatest number here, and let's put the commas and read the number. So this is 86,53,210. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 digit number, whereas this is an 8-digit number. So remember to write this correctly below this in the right places. So here, because it's an 8-digit number, start with the 8th place here. That means it's here 8, 6, 5, 3, 2, 1 and 0. So now what are we going to do? We are going to first subtract this. So let's begin by subtracting 0 minus 0 is 0. Now we have to subtract 0 minus 1, which we can't do. So we borrow. All these are 0, so we have to borrow from this 1. So this becomes 0. This is 10 because we are borrowing 9. 10 becomes 9 again. 10, 9, 10, 9, 10, 9 and 10 here. Because last number we've already done. So here 10 minus 1 is 9. Next one, 9 minus 2 is 7. Then we go 9 minus 3 is 6. Then the next one, 9 minus 5 is 4. Next one, 9 minus 6 is 3. Then we have 9 minus 8. 9 minus 8 is 1. So now what do we have? We have this number that we have subtracted. Let's put the commas. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakh, 10 lakh. So 13 lakh 46,790 is the answer. So now we finished subtracting the greatest number. Now again, let's take the smallest 8-digit number. The smallest 8-digit number is, as we know, 1 followed by 7 zeros. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros. So from this now we are going to subtract the smallest number formed by using these digits again. Okay. So here let's form this now, the smallest number this time. Here we formed the greatest number. Now we're going to form the smallest number. Let's do it below this first. The smallest number here is 0, but we can't start with 0. So we start with 1. So 1 and now we put a 0. Then we go to 2. So we have 2, then we have 3, then we have 5, then 6 and 8. So this is our number. So let's write down this number. Again, check the number of digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is 7-digit number. So write it carefully under this. So this will be, you have to write it here, 1, 0, 2, 3, 5, 6 and 8. Now we are going to subtract these. Again, let's be careful when we subtract because we need to borrow, because 0 minus 8 you can't do. We have to borrow all the way from 1. So let's borrow from 1. So this becomes 0. This is 10. 10 now becomes 9, 10, 9, 10, 9, 10, 9, 10, again 9, again 10, then we have 9, again we have to borrow and now we have 10 here. Now 10 minus 8 is 2. Then we have 9 minus 6 is 3. 9 minus 5 is 4. 9 minus 3 is 6. 9 minus 2 is 7. Then we have 9 minus 0, which is 9 itself. 9 minus 1, that is 8. Let's put commas. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakh, 10 lakhs. So 89 lakh 76,432. Question B. From the greatest 8-digit number, subtract the greatest and smallest 7-digit numbers. So from the greatest 8-digit number. So first let's write down the greatest 8-digit number. That will be 8 nines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 8 nines. From this we have to subtract the greatest and smallest 7-digit number. Now the greatest 7-digit number will have 7 nines. So here let's put it in the right places. So the greatest 7-digit number will have 7 nines. Remember this is an 8-digit number, so leave out this one digit under that and then write 7 nines from here. So let's begin now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now let's subtract these. So let's begin with the first one. So 9 minus 9 is 0. So we have 0 here. Let's take the next one. 9 minus 9, 0. 9 minus 9, 0. Again, 9 minus 9 is 0. 9 minus 9 is 0. 9 minus 9, 0. Again, we have one more 9 minus 9, 0. And this 9 we write it as it is. Now let's place the commas, ones, tens, hundreds. Thousands, 10,000s, lakh, 10 lakh and crore. So this is 9 crore. What we have here is 9 crore. Now we have to again write the greatest 8-digit number and the smallest 7-digit number. So greatest 8-digit number is 8 nines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the smallest 7-digit number is 1 followed by 60. Remember, this is the 7-digit number, so you must not write below this. After this, you must start writing. So I'm going to start with 1 followed by 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. Now we're going to subtract this. So here let's begin with the first one. 9 minus 0 is 9. Again 9 minus 0 is 9. 9 minus 0, 9. Again you continue. Again you have a 9 minus 0. Then 9 minus 0. Now 9 minus 1 is 8 and we have this 9 also, so let's write it. Now place your commas, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. So what do we have here? We have 9 crore 89 lakh 99,999. So with this, children, we come to the end of this exercise. Thank you, children.